What if you could turn blurry, low-quality photos into crystal-clear masterpieces with just one click? Meet 4D Photo Enhancer is here to fix it. With powerful AI, you can restore clarity, sharpen details, upscale images, and revive memories in just one click. No editing skills needed. Fast, simple, and professional photo enhancement at your fingertips. Welcome to AI Ustad 2.0 for latest AI updates. Let's go to Google and search for 4D Photo Enhancer, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of 4D Photo Enhancer, an AI photo enhancer powered by advanced technology that transforms blurry photos into brilliant, high-quality images. With 4D Photo Enhancer, you can automatically upscale images to 4K resolution using AI, sharpen blurry images, reduce noise, correct blur, and adjust image colors to create sharp, vibrant results. The tool maximizes visual quality by increasing picture resolution, colorizes black and white photos, and restores old photos with vivid hues. Multiple images can be enhanced at once, and 4D supports various formats such as JPG, JPEG, PNG, and more. You can download 4D File Repair for free. It's available for both Windows and Mac operating systems and is trusted by leading tech publications. With 4D File Repair, every moment of life shines in high definition, thanks to superb AI image upscaling technology that brings photos to new life. 4D File Repair offers AI image models tailored to any scene, including general, denoise, face, and colorized models. Now, go to the top and click on Download for free. Once your application is downloaded successfully, install it. This is the main dashboard of 4D File Repair. From here, you can repair corrupted files, such as recovering a corrupted video that won't play, has no sound, or displays a black screen. You can quickly repair photos that won't open or are partially damaged. 4D also repairs corrupted files like PDF, Word, Excel, PPT, and more, as well as audio files. You can also use the AI Enhancer. With the AI Enhancer, you can upgrade video quality, enhance blurry videos, and turn low-quality videos into stunning Ultra HD 4K. The Video Colorizer lets you colorize black and white videos and increase video resolution. The Photo Enhancer improves image quality, making photos sharper and clearer, while the Photo Colorizer brings black and white photos to life with color and enhances image quality. First, click on Photo Enhancer. Add a photo by clicking Add Photo, then select an image from your computer and click Open. Once your image uploads, you'll see different AI models like general models, face models, and denoise models. Select the one that best fits your needs. Next, choose an image resolution. There are several options. Then, select the AI Enhancer mode, quality first or speed first. You can also add more photos as needed. Once everything is set, click Enhance. 4D AI Enhancer will take a few seconds to enhance your image, so be patient. When your image is ready, you'll notice a big difference between the before and after. To compare, click Compare and see the noticeable improvement. With 4D AI Enhancer, enhancing your images is easy and effortless. Just upload, choose a model, and enhance. To save your image, click Save, select a folder, and your enhanced image will be saved. Open the folder to see the final result. There's a clear difference between before and after. Now, let's upload a black and white photo. Click on Photo Colorizer, then add a photo from your computer. Select your black and white photo and click Open. Once uploaded, you'll see the black and white photo. With 4D AI Enhancer, you can colorize your image and bring it to life. Choose the option for old or black and white photos, then click Colorize. 4D AI Enhancer will take a few seconds to colorize your image. When it's ready, you'll see a noticeable difference. With 4D AI Enhancer, you can easily colorize black and white photos and enhance their quality. To save, click Save, select a folder, and your image will be downloaded. Open it to see the final version. It's amazing how easily you can upscale and colorize your images with 4D AI Enhancer. Now, if you want to enhance video quality, click on Video Enhancer. Click Add Video from your computer, select your low-quality video, and click Open. Once uploaded, play your video to see its current quality. To upgrade, use the options on the right. Select the AI model, resolution, for example, 4x, and AI enhancement settings as needed. Once everything is set, click Enhance. 4D Dig AI Enhancer will take a few seconds to process your video. When it's done, you'll see a noticeable difference. Save your enhanced video by clicking Save, select a folder, and wait for the process to finish. Play your enhanced video to see the improvement. There's a big difference between before and after. With 4D Dig AI Enhancer, you can easily enhance photo quality, colorize black and white photos, and upgrade video quality. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for the latest updates about AI tools.